Well, hello, my friends. I know, I said 7 o'clock and it's going to get up around 7:10. Someone fell asleep. Oh, I feel so great now. But it put me a little bit behind. I woke up all scared. So let's start off with determinants. So to solve this, I need to find d, dx, and dy. D, write it without the constants, just the coefficients. So that would be 3, 2. Oh, wait a minute. Do this problem by finding d, dx, and dy, and then watch me do it. Okay, so then it would be negative 2, 3. So it'd be 9 minus, 3 times 3 is 9, minus a negative 4. So that would be 13. Then dx, as you switch the constants, 11, 16 for x, but you still leave the y. So negative 2, 3. So it'd be 33 minus a negative 32. So that's 65. Now, x is dx divided by d. So that is 65 divided by 13, which I do believe is 5. Then dy, you switch the y coefficients with the constant. So it'd be 3, 2. Put the x numbers back in. Then put that constants in. So it would be 48 minus 22, which is 26. So y is dy divided by d, which would be 26 divided by 13 is 2. 5, 2, and that happens to be the answer. Now for this one, find dx, but don't find the answer. Sorry. Okay, so now that you've done it, dx, we're going to switch the constants in for the x numbers. Then I have 1, 3, negative 2. And I have 1, 1, negative 1. So then I'm going to put in the 6, 13, negative 2, and 1, 3, negative 2. So that would be minus 18, minus 2, minus 26. Wow. Negative, negative, negative. Now some books will say actually combine this. So that's negative 46. Now go backwards. Minus a minus 6. Minus a minus 12. Minus a minus 13. Wow. So that is 25, 31. So I get negative 15. Woohoo! Okay. So I'm trying to rush. So write these two numbers in scientific notation. So go ahead and do that. Okay, good. So this would be 3.7 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this would be 4.5 times 10 to the negative, because the original is smaller, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now write these two numbers in regular notation. So switch it back from scientific to regular. So, okay, this would be, I need to multiply by 10 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So it'd be 6, 7, 0, 0. This one, move it, make it smaller 4 times. So we'd have 3 zeros, 3, 5. Okay. Now do these two numbers. Multiply these two numbers is what I'm trying to say, and it's not coming out too well. Oops. Okay, go ahead and do those two. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15 times 10 to the negative 6 plus 10 would be 4. Got to make this smaller. So I gotta, if I multiplied this, I got to divide this. Okay. Or divide this, I multiply this. So I always got to keep it imbalanced. So this got smaller, so this has got to get bigger. 8 divided by 4 is 2. When you divide two things same base, you subtract. 4 minus the negative 3 is 7. Woohoo! Okay. Trying to get this out by 7 o'clock, or I would have had this done a little bit better. So go ahead and do these problems as I write them, please. Okay. So freeze it and then do them. Hee-hoo. Okay. So you FOIL this, so this would be x squared. 4x plus 5x is 9x. And 5 times 4 is 20. This one, oh, whenever you have a square and a sum or difference, you got to write it twice to make it nice. So x and x is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Woohoo! Then this one, 2x and 3x is 6x squared. Minus 12x minus 10x is minus 22x. And minus 4 times minus 5 is plus 20. Okay, this one. So I'm about out of room. 4x squared minus 3 times x squared is minus 3x squared. That would be x squared. Minus 6x minus 3 times minus 6x would be plus 18x. So minus 6x plus 18x would be plus 12x. And minus 4 times a minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9. That'd be plus 5. Woohoo! So, let's see, we did scientific notation. So go ahead and do these problems as I write them. Actually, I come to do a part 2. So watch the second part now.